Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL device to TCL 20 5G. First of all, open Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow. After that, click on Receive on 25G and Send on TCL device. Now you need to tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here, and after that select Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, for example, some Files app, click on, in my case, Images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!